Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to start, pause and continue the cleaning on your Tosima W5 window cleaning robot. So the first thing that we're going to do is install our robot on the window and turn it on, and then once you want to pause, continue or just start the robot, you're going to pull out the remote that comes with the robot, and here you have this like pause and resume button. So this button controls the continuation. So basically you press this button before you even start the robot, it's going to start the robot and it's going to start cleaning, and if you press it again once it starts cleaning, it's going to pause the cleaning, so it's going to be just paused in place, and then once you want to resume it, you just click the button again to make it continue cleaning. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.